to share that indeed the documents for confidential fund is really voluminous. As a matter of fact, the prosecutors have expressed their uncertainties as to whether the marking will be finished by Thursday. And that is why we reached out already to Secretary Bantug through Secretary General Chaloy Grafil, whether there are other measures which may be considered to be able to expedite more the process of marking the exhibits. We understand that the position of the prosecution is to push through with the original timeline, which is likewise pronounced by Section Bantug during our PTC, and that is on July 6. And that is why we are really reaching out to Senate Secretary to consider additional measures, no? Right now, there are 4 teams who are facilitating the marking of exhibits. One is assigned for unexplained wealth, and the 3 other teams are all assigned to confidential fund. Regardless of having 4 teams, the private prosecutors, including the public prosecutors who are monitoring, have expressed already their uncertainties about the possibility of finishing until Thursday. And that is why we are soliciting for additional measures kung paano mas bibilis pa and hopefully matapos tayo within this week. No? And then likewise, the prosecution team is discussing about the following concerns. Etong isa ay na-share na natin during past interviews, the adoption of Filipino language and English language to be the official languages to be used during the impeachment trial. That's one. Second is we are considering, we are still discussing, we're still considering about the possible adoption of the rule on disclosure of witnesses at least 3 days before their presentation, no? We are also discussing on the possible participation of public and private prosecutor in the presentation of a witness. That means that the public and the private will participate in the presentation and conclusion of the testimony of one witness. And our BIR box, we are discussing the same as well about the possibility of opening it, of course with the permission of the impeachment court, at the soonest possible time. So that would be all